Then for the deflection equation at segment BC, so we simply have to, so we have V is equal to 50 all over 3 x cubed minus 50 times x minus 2 cubed minus 400 all over 3 x all over 20.48 times 10 to the third. So if we try to simplify further, we get the value of 0.8138 x cubed minus 2.441 times x minus 2 raised to the third minus 6.150x times 10 to the negative 3 meters. Now we're going to identify our maximum displacement. So we're going to compute now for the maximum displacement. So maximum displacement occur where the slope of the elastic curve is 0. So for this beam, so that will occur at segment AB. So we set here V prime is equal to 0. So we get at segment AB. So using the equation that we have computed a while ago for the displacement at AB, which is equivalent to 2.441 x squared minus 6.510, substitute the value for V prime equal to 0, 2.441 x squared minus 6.510. So we can have the value for our x, which is equivalent to 1.6331 meters. So therefore, our deflection for segment AB using the equation that we have computed a while ago, we have determined a while ago. So we have V at x is equal to 1.6331. So the deflection, it will be equivalent to 0.8138 times 1.6331 cube minus 6.510 times 1.6331 times 10 to the negative 3. So therefore, we will have here negative 7.09 times 10 to the negative 3. And this will give us negative 7.09 mm. So this is in meters. So therefore, the negative sign indicates that is a downward deflection. So the maximum deflection is equal to V at x equal to 1.6331, and that is equal to 7.09 mm, and that is downward. So we're going to have the largest loop. So we're going to identify our largest loop. The largest loop by inspection, it could be identified that it occurs at point C. So therefore, so the largest slope occurs at point C. So V prime at x equal to 3, that is equivalent to 2. This is now using the equation for the slope at segment BC that we have determined a while ago when we substitute our flexural rigidity value, 2.441 times 3 to the second, and we try to substitute the value for x, which is equal to 3, minus 7.324 times 3 minus 2 raised to the second minus that is minus 6.150, and this is times 10 to the negative 3, and it will give us 8.50 times 10 to the negative 3. So the positive value for our B prime means that the beam rotates counterclockwise at point C. So therefore, our maximum slope angle of the beam, so maximum slope angle of the beam, we have theta max is equal to B prime at x is equal to 3. So if we try to substitute x equal to 3 to our B prime at, which is equivalent to 8 point, actually this is now the value, which is 8.50 times 10 to the negative 3. This is in radian, or this is convert radian to degrees, so that is 0.487 degrees in a counterclockwise direction.